In this video, we're going to show you how to migrate product reviews when moving to Shopify. Product reviews are one of the most valuable assets of an online store. They provide social proof, build customer trust, and can significantly increase conversion rates. When migrating to Shopify, preserving your existing reviews helps maintain credibility and saves you from starting over with an empty review section. The good news is that most review platforms and e-commerce systems allow you to export your reviews and import them into Shopify using compatible review apps. By the end of this video, you'll know how to migrate your product reviews to Shopify while keeping them properly linked to the correct products. So, let's get started. The first method is to export your existing product reviews. Log into your current e-commerce platform or review service. Look for an export option and download your reviews as a CSV file if it's available. The exported file should ideally include the product identifier, reviewer name, rating, review content, and review date. Next, install a product review app on Shopify. Go to the Shopify App Store and install a review app that supports importing existing reviews. Many popular review apps provide built-in CSV import tools to simplify the migration process. After installing the app, open its import section. Upload your exported review file and map the required fields such as product handle, rating, reviewer name, review title, review text, and submission date. Another important step is to match reviews to the correct products. Most review apps use the Shopify product handle or another unique product identifier to associate reviews with the correct listings. Before importing, verify that these identifiers match your current Shopify products. If they don't, update the CSV file accordingly. Next, preview the import. Many review apps allow you to review a sample of the imported data before completing the process. Check that star ratings, reviewer names, and review content appear correctly. Then, start the import. Once it finishes, visit several product pages on your Shopify store to confirm that reviews display correctly and are attached to the right products. If any reviews are missing or assigned to the wrong products, adjust the CSV file and repeat the import. Finally, test your storefront. Verify that review widgets load properly on both desktop and mobile devices and that customers can read existing reviews without issues. In most situations, these steps are all you need to successfully migrate product reviews to Shopify. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, export your reviews from your existing platform or review service. Second, install a Shopify review app and import your review data. And third, verify that reviews are matched to the correct products and displayed properly. Remember that preserving customer reviews helps maintain trust, improves conversion rates, and provides valuable social proof for future shoppers. Taking the time to map your review data correctly will ensure a smooth migration and a professional-looking store. And that's how to migrate product reviews when moving to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.